Hello everyone, Grammar Crackers welcomes you to the world of grammar. Today we will learn about material nouns. So first start with the definition. A material noun refers to the name of a material or substance from which different things are made. For example, books are made of paper. So here the word paper is our material noun. मटीरियल नाउन को हिंदी में पदार्थवाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं। इसके अंतर्गत वो वस्तुएं आती हैं जिनसे हम दूसरी वस्तुएं बना सकते हैं। चलो इसे एक एग्जाम्पल की मदद से समझते हैं। ये एक शेक है। शेक दूध और चीनी से मिलकर बना हुआ है, तो इसमें दूध और चीनी, मिल्क और शुगर ये हमारे मटीरियल नाउन होंगे। दूसरा एग्जाम्पल है इस बोल का। ये बोल आयरन का बना हुआ है, इसीलिए इसमें आयरन हमारा मटीरियल नाउन होगा। चलो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द मटीरियल नाउन इन डिटेल। मटीरियल नाउन refers to the thing that can be seen or touched. Second is we can measure or weigh material nouns but can't count. जैसा आपको पता है मटीरियल नाउन को हिंदी में पदार्थवाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं, तो ये उन वस्तुओं के लिए यूज़ होता है जिन्हें हम देख और परख तो सकते हैं, तोल और नाप भी सकते हैं, लेकिन हम इन्हें गिन नहीं सकते, जैसे वुड, पेपर, आयरन, गोल्ड। Here are some rules we should know while using a material noun in a sentence. Rule number 1. We do not use article a or an before a material noun. Just like we can't say a gold, but gold is a precious metal is correct. Rule number 2. Material nouns are usually not plural. Sugar is sweet is correct, but we can't say sugars are sweet. Rule number 3. When we talk about material in a general sense, we do not use determiners. Example, milk is good for health. But when we talk about something specific, we can use determiners. The milk in his glass is hot. यहाँ हम मिल्क के साथ द इसलिए लगा रहे हैं क्योंकि हम उस स्पेसिफिक मिल्क की बात कर रहे हैं जो ग्लास में है। Got it? Rule number 4. A material noun is used as the substance from which something is made. For example, the ring is made of gold. Here, gold is our common noun. The chair is made of wood. So here, wood is our common noun. Let's understand the difference between common and material noun. Same example, the ring is made of gold. So here, ring is our common noun and gold is our material noun. Second, this chair is made of wood. So chair is our common noun and wood is material noun. क्योंकि चेयर किससे बनी है? वुड से, इसलिए वुड मटीरियल नाउन है और चेयर कॉमन नाउन। ओके, जस्ट चेक द क्विक समरी। मटीरियल नाउन्स आर नेम्स ऑफ सब्सटेंसेस. They are uncountable and usually singular. We do not use a or an before them. And determiners are avoided in general sense but can be used in specific cases. Now it's our homework time because I think the concept is clear now. So let's move on. Look at the sentences and fill in the blanks with the correct material nouns. Here are the answers to the collective noun homework. Check them out. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will explore abstract noun. Till then, take care and keep learning with Grammar Crackers.